Hello, this is a very quick demo on how to create a league using Top Tournament. So pick your tournament type and click Create League. Tournament name, let's call it the Cambridge Rugby League. You can enter the team names here or hit the random, and for example you get Six Nations. Click Create, and first thing it'll do is basically set up everything you need to run your league. So first thing, we take the box on the top left. We've got the name of the league, and you've got kind of a default image. You can obviously change those, use the cog, so importantly use any of these cogs to interact throughout our application, change the image or change tournament name. On to the next one, we've got the rankings, which I'm sure you're familiar with, points, won, draw, lost, etc. Next one here is upcoming fixtures, all the games that are going to be played. You can use a cog here to say play both home and away if you want to play each other twice. There's no dates and times at the moment, but I'll show you in a moment how to do that. So latest results, no results at the moment, but as soon as we enter some results, this is where they'll appear. And then submit results is where you can submit the results. We'll also have a look at that in a minute. So share this page, what you'd expect. So Gmail, Facebook, LinkedIn, different ways for people to share your tournament. If you have a Twitter feed, you can use this at the bottom here. Currently this is our Twitter feed, but hit the cog and change Twitter feed, and easy as that. Same with tournament info. Here you can add rules and that kind of thing. So click the cog, edit description, change it as appropriate. So let's do first things first. Let's schedule the fixtures. You don't have to do this, but if you play weekly, for example, this might be useful. Click schedule. So this brings up our kind of scheduling tool, quite a powerful tool, but the first thing it asks is you haven't scheduled anything before, so do you want to use the auto schedule wizard, which I do. So click OK. First step, so there's a 3-step process. Pick the first day. So today's the 19th. I'm going to go back a week just so we've got some results to submit. So starting last Wednesday. Weekly, let's say we play we're already playing Wednesday, so Sunday as well. So there you can see match every Sunday and Wednesday. Click OK. Let's say we play twice on a Sunday because we've got a bit more time, and once on a Wednesday. Click next, and there we are. So Sunday, let's say we play at 2, and let's say we play at 4:15, and then Wednesday, let's say we play in the evening, so maybe 7 o'clock. We can add locations as well. So I'm just going to pick a London park, so Hyde Park, London. You can put postcode here as well if you like, and let's just say they're all Hyde Park. So there you go, that's it. Click submit, there you go, instantly scheduled. Click save, and there we are. So as you can see, it's added dates, it's added times, and it's added locations. By default this will just show the next 7 days because that's what people are kind of used to and most interested in. If we click show more, however, it shows you all of them, so you can see it's scheduled there: Sunday, Wednesday, Sunday, Wednesday, Sunday, Wednesday, all the way down. Click show less. Another thing worth pointing out, so Hyde Park is the location. If I click on that, it brings up a nice little map, and you can add some further information and things like that. Cool. So let's submit a result. So here we go. The next result we need to submit is England versus Ireland. So I just click the little arrow here, and let's say the score was 2-2. Now at the moment we're saying the default is 3 for a win, 1 for a draw, but you can change all that. At the moment that's what it is, so that's why both of these get a point each. Click next. So England team roster. So this is optional, you don't have to provide this information, but sometimes you do want to. And so if I say Tom, Peter and John are the 3 players in the team, obviously it would be a lot bit bigger normally. And let's say Tom scored. Click next. Let's say he scored both the goals. Click next, and then you can do the same for Ireland. For brevity we're just going to skip Ireland for the moment, and there you go, the result is there and it's updated that. Now interestingly, if we go to England, this brings up their team page, and as you can see we've got just their filter fixtures and their results, but also their team roster with that information, and they can also add their own photo, and they can even change their Twitter feed, and they can change their own team info. So all in all, pretty good.